on out there? Hi, this is Dr. Destiny. Guys, I'm excited to be back talking about your health and wellness. I am Dr. Destiny, your health, your wellness, and your nutrition coach. And I'm here today to talk to you about your vitamins. What do you know about your vitamins? Now, there are 13 essential vitamins. They come in two categories. Category 1 is your water soluble vitamins. Category 2 is your fat soluble vitamins. I will tell you each of the 13 different vitamins, but I'm gonna make sure that I leave a little space in between so you can go out there and do your own study and research so you can get information that you need, so you can compare information with different researchers and websites. Make sure that you are getting the proper information. Just don't do one research or two or three. Man, I tell people all the time, just do many studies and many researches so you all can get the accurate information. Then, most importantly, consult with your healthcare provider, your doctor, your health consultant, and then you make sure that you are getting what you need to know about your health and your wellness. Now, the 13 essential vitamins says in two categories. Your water-soluble vitamins, these vitamins are not stored in the body, and they include your vitamin C and the 8 essential vitamins, the 8B essential vitamins. That's a correction. The 8B essential vitamins, which are vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B9, and vitamin B12. Now, what happens with your water-soluble vitamins once they're stored in the body? These vitamins, the body, what it does, it excretes them. What it doesn't absorb, within the body just expels it right out the body. So you need to get a fresh supply of water-soluble vitamins every day. Now, the category 2, the fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins, they are stored in the body's liver, as well as in the fatty tissues and muscles. And they include your vitamin A, your vitamin D, your vitamin E, and your vitamin K. Now, your fat-soluble vitamins, they can reach toxic levels if you get more than what your body needs. So you make sure that you're getting the proper amount of those vitamins. Like I said, making sure that you're reading those labels on those vitamin bottles, making sure you're talking with your doctors, following the direction and instructions. Now, what happens is you putting in, like I said, telling you taking 1 or 2, and you say, I'm gonna take 4 or 5. It's gonna reject it. It's like throwing your money into the trash because your body knows a certain amount that it needs and what's required, and that's what it will take. Now, each vitamin has an important role in the body, and a deficiency can cause health problems. And that's why I said, make sure you're always talking to your health care provider or your healthcare physician, and you get your vitamin levels tested. Ask your doctor, test my vitamin levels. And the most important in vitamins, as researchers always say, they are your vitamin D, your vitamin B, and they threw in iron, which iron is truly a mineral. So let's talk about the B vitamins and give you the names, because you probably see these B vitamins on labels all the time, even on foods. So your 8 B vitamins are B1, that's your thiamine. B2 is riboflavin. B3 is niacin. B5 is pantothenic acid. B6 is paradoxin. B7 is biotin. B9 is folate, excuse me, or folic acid. And then your B12 is cobalamin. I got something in my throat. So think about these vitamins and tell me, or just share with us, what do you know about your vitamins? What vitamins are you taking? And make sure that you're getting the proper foods too as well. Make sure, because a lot of foods, most of your foods going to have vitamins in them. which you may not need a vitamin supplement. So I'm going to finish this and I'm going to talk to you guys at the next video because I got a little choke. Tie.